Hey, welcome to Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites. I'm your host, John Scanlon. We have a very special episode for you today. We want to do something fun, something awesome. It's been a year since we've been on, so we're going to do a Cajun boiled turkey. You heard that right, it's boiled, not fried. So make sure you stick around and find out how it's done. Alright, we're going to be boiling this turkey today. It's going to be a Cajun boil just like you do crawfish. This is great during the holidays. It's also great in the springtime if you can find a turkey. This is really something different that you can do for your family just to spice up a regular holiday meal or anytime meal. We're going to do just like we usually do. We're lucky to be here in our kitchen studio. We have a great exhaust fan, so we can boil this big turkey inside. And it's not going to have an issue with the smells. But you might want to do this outside at your home if you have a gas grill outside or a gas kitchen. But you can also do a smaller one like just a chicken or a ham on the stove, and it works just as well for these meats. What we're going to do is we're going to fill up our pot full of water. We're going to have enough where it'll cover the turkey, but we don't want it to overflow. We're going to get to a boil, and then we're going to add some crawfish seasoning. We're going to do the powder and the liquid. We're going to add some citrus in. We've got oranges and we've got lemons. And then later on, we're going to add onions and potatoes and corn and mushrooms. It's just going to be a great crawfish style turkey boil. All right, our water's boiling, and so for this turkey, we're going to add 4.5 pounds of our Cajun seasoning. All right, for a little extra heat, we just got a little bit of the concentrate shrimp and crab oil, a liquid. Do about a third of the bottle, maybe a third to a half, depending on how spiced you want it. Now we're going to add our citrus to it, our oranges and our lemons. And now we're going to add our onions. All right, so our crab boil is boiling. It's got our onions, it's got our lemons, our oranges. Now it's time to add the turkey. Now we defrost this turkey in our refrigerator for 1 day for every 4 pounds. And we're gonna boil it most times. About a 12-pound turkey takes 45 to 50 minutes. This is a 6-pound turkey, so we should be done in about 25 to 30 minutes. We're just gonna make sure that temperature is 165 degrees internally before we cut it up. So we're going to add this turkey. And we're going to let it boil. One of the coolest things if you're doing it at the house and you let somebody know that you're going to be boiling a turkey, they'll always say, "You mean frying it?" You're like, "No, I mean boiling it." And they say, well, how hot do you get the water?" I don't know, 212 degrees, whatever boiling is. All right, we got about 20 minutes left of this turkey boil. So we're going to add in some new potatoes for the last 20 minutes. And then about 10 minutes out, we're gonna add our corn and mushroom, and then we'll let it soak and we'll be ready to eat. All right, we're about 5 or 10 minutes out from our turkey being done boiling. So we're just gonna add a couple things of the frozen corn, putting those in. And we got some mushrooms, we're gonna add those. We're gonna let it boil, like I said, another 5, maybe 10 minutes at most. Let it soak for just about 10 minutes after that, and then we're ready to eat. All right, we checked the internal temperature of our turkey. It was a little over 165 degrees, so we're ready to pull this thing. We got so many goodies in there. This pot is full. I'm gonna bring it over. We're gonna slice it up and plate it up, and we'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we pulled our turkey out. We've sliced it up. We've got about half the turkey on our plate. We do the other half back in that pot. We're gonna let it soak up. Depends on how spicy you want it. But we wanted some that it's somewhat spicy, but most people can eat it. And we're gonna try it real quick. So good, so spicy. Make sure you try it at home. We got all kinds of good stuff. We got corn, we got potatoes, we got mushrooms. The extra special stuff still in this pot. We're gonna let it go for about another 20 minutes. It's gonna have that red tint to it. It's gonna be delicious. We thank you for watching Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites. I am your host, John Scanlon. And stay tuned as we're gonna have more local restaurants from Pensacola back on the show. We're gonna have some great episodes coming up, some awesome dishes that you can learn how to do at your house. So Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.